All right, let's go over opening up a document and the differences between opening up a document in NetDocs and opening up a document in Clio. So I'm in NetDocs, I'm logged into Google Chrome, and I have all these documents here. I want to open up this Excel file. What do? I click on the Excel file. It is going to open up locally in Excel on my computer. I can make changes, hit save, and those changes will go back into NetDocs. There's no extra step there. For this, I'm not going to save anything back. All right, I want to open up this Word document here. Again, I think you're seeing a pattern here. I want to open up this Word document. There it is. All right. No, I don't want to save my changes. There's no extra steps here. I want to open up this promissory note PDF. I don't really need to bore you. Same thing in PowerPoint, same thing in everything else. All right, so that is when you're in NetDocs in the web page, and again, I'm in a matter right here, the LLC formation. I just click on what I want and it opens up. Also, email. This is important because the email's opening up. Well, now I can just hit respond, forward, reply, etc. All right, let's go to Clio now. Now, I haven't got this to work, but I know it does work, but it only works with Word documents. So if I want to open up, this document here from Clio, I click on it here, it's showing me this document. Now when I go to open with launcher, it should open up via the Clio launcher here. It's just not working. So this is kind of crappy because I don't have the launcher actually working right now. Let me check for updates. Maybe there's an update or something why it's not working. There we do. Let's update the launcher and see if we can get it to work now. All right, updating didn't really seem to solve the issue, but I have seen it work before. So when you're in the web page and you're looking at a document, you would click on it and then you would be able to open it with the launcher. Here's the caveat, only Word documents. So you don't really have the ability at all here with PDFs or anything else. Like it's only supposed to work with Word documents. I mean, I think that's the case if I could ever get this thing to actually work. All right, so this is what Clio really wants you to do, and you can see this here when you go to their page. When you talk about their launcher here. Let's see here. It doesn't, if Clio Drive is what they really want you to use here. So this is what Clio would really say is come over here, come over to your computer, open up the Clio Drive, and then you could come over here, and then you could get to your documents this way. This is what they want you to actually do here, is come into the Bluth company, come into this here, and then open up the document this way. That's how they want you to work. So, and then I have to come over and enable editing. So it's just not that easy to open. First off, to open up documents from the web page, you can only open up Word documents. In NetDocs, you can open up anything. If you want to open up anything else and seamlessly save it back into Clio, you really got to use the Clio Drive and not the web page there. So this is kind of like a non-starter to me. Like I don't see how like a large firm could use this at all, which is why I think that most people that are on Clio use something like NetDocs or Box or something like that and link that with Clio, but they do not use this.